Hello everyone, Vanda Martin here, and today in this video, let's talk about circle dialing around your open house or mega open house. Yes, I love that. I love that. Are you ready? Awesome. So let's go over a little bit of the context so you understand how it goes, okay? How it works. First of all, I hope you have your system step by step what to do before doing an open house or a mega open house. I also hope you know the difference between a productive open house and a super mega open house so you can generate business, generate leads, and of course, set some great appointments and help a lot of people. All right? Awesome. So let's get started. Number one, follow the steps. So you're having the open house this Saturday, okay? So after you did everything, you're gonna invite everyone. Now it's time to call the neighborhood. You also hopefully have a great system and a great tool, the company that provides you the name and number of the neighbors, of the people around the open house, so you can call them, right? So when you call them, you already know their name, property address, and phone number. So the script is easy. You're going to use their name. You're going to speak with a lot of conviction, a lot of confidence, right? Have the script in front of you. Write it down, the script, copy. You don't need to invent the wheel. Coach Viva here is giving you a script. Just use it. So now you can use the script simply just inviting them to the open house and going a little deep further and see if there's a need, if someone needs your service and your expertise right now, and you go there because you have them on the phone. Every time you have someone on the phone, what a great opportunity to ask by any chance if they need you. Would you agree? Awesome, let's go. So I'm ready to circle dial, the old cold calling, right? And see who needs my help. But first of all, of course, invite them for the open house. So let's go here. Ring, ring. Hello, is this John Smith? Hi, John. This is Vanda Martin with Coldwell Banker. The reason I'm calling is we have a great open house coming up this Saturday at your neighborhood. Yes, one of your neighbors moving. So we're going to do a nice open house and we'd like to invite you and your family to come over and see the house. Oh, you're welcome. We're welcome. We want to make sure that you guys don't miss. It's a beautiful home. Maybe you know someone who wants to be your neighbor. Yes, yes. So can you guys come? We'd love to have you over. We're going to have some refreshments. We're going to have some music. We're going to have some fun, and you can see the beautiful home. It's a lovely home. Have you seen the for sale sign is coming up? It just actually was put up this morning. No, you haven't? Yes, it's right here on 123 Diamond Street, and it has 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's about 2,500 square feet, and the price is about $950,000. Yes, yes, it's a lovely home. Come see it because it should go fast. Awesome. Hey, John, now that I have you on the phone, I was wondering, how are you guys doing over there? By any chance you have any question about the real estate market? No, you're doing well? Okay, excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Well, having people on the phone and talking about real estate is one of the things we love the most. My team and I, we are very proud and happy to help a lot of people. So I would love to offer some service to you and ask you, would you like to know how much your home is worth today in today's market? You would? Oh, very nice, very nice. Yeah, it doesn't cost you anything. No cost, no obligation. We just want to provide value and information, and when the time is right, we're here to help people. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, you like to know? Wonderful. Oh, I understand. You look at Zillow once in a while. Yeah, Zillow is a guesstimate, and sometimes it's not really the right way, the right proper price. So we would love to help you. So I would love to do a market evaluation for you, a comparative market analysis. Yeah, we're gonna look at the comps, we're gonna look at the market, and then I can get back to you. So, sure. So I was wondering, are you curious about the price so you know what's going on, John, or if the price makes sense? Would you consider selling it? Not quite, not really. No, I can appreciate that. of course I have to ask because the market's still pretty hot and we have buyers looking, so I was wondering if you are thinking of moving. Or maybe in the near future, we love to provide information. So let's do this. Let me do the market analysis. Let me run the numbers. I go over the numbers, I look at everything, I'm gonna look at the market. I'm very familiar with the area. I sell lots of homes in the neighborhood. So I'll get back to you. Okay, yeah, I'll get back to you. Now, the thing I wanna say is, if you're really just curious, we can do over the phone and we can talk. But if you are thinking of moving here in the next 6 months to 10 months, I really would love to see the property. I really love to walk through the property. Can I tell you why? Yeah, let me tell you why. You see, the value of the home depends on location, on the benefits of the home, what it has to offer, and the improvements. So if you're really more serious about selling in the very near future, if I can come and walk through the house, just take a look at the floor plan, take a look at the improvements, take a look what you did. This way, I can be more accurate with the price. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, I don't mind, you don't have to do anything special. I just walk through the home. It takes about 10 minutes. We can go over the numbers. Now, if you're really just curious and you don't want to go through that, I can do over the phone with you. But again, I would love to see your home. I'd love to provide the better information. What's good for you? I mean, can I come this Friday around 3 o'clock and we can sit down and talk? I have open here at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna be by the neighborhood anyway, John, because I'll be coming by, drop the flyers and inviting people for the open house. So I'd love to come. We can sit down and talk. You can see the numbers, see the comparables. I can answer your questions. If it makes sense, who knows? We might do business in the near future. If not, you're gonna be more informed. You know what's going on. Sounds like a good plan. Awesome. Good. So let me stop by at 3 o'clock on Friday. Fantastic. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, my name is Vanda with Coldwell Banker. Let me have your email because I want to send you some information, John. It's always good for you to know who you're talking to, right? I want to send you some of my bio, my information, so you know who I am, what I do, how I do it. So by the time I come Friday, you really know, you know who you're talking to. Sounds good? Awesome. Okay. John Smith 123 at yahoo.com. Fantastic. Let's do that. I'll send it to you. Oh, by the way, let me ask you this. If you were to move, where would you move to? To Nevada. Oh, Las Vegas. How nice. How nice. What is good about Las Vegas? For you, I mean, what's interesting about Las Vegas? Oh, you have family there. Oh, nice. Good for you. You want to be close to your grandkids. Good for you. Well, when the time is right, we're here for you. Awesome. And by the way, also, what price you have in mind? I mean, do you have any price in mind about the home already? Anything that you're thinking about it? No, not really. It's okay. That's why we're here. Fantastic. So I see you Friday at 3 o'clock. And thank you for your time. Thank you for talking to me. Please feel free to tell anyone about the open house on Saturday, 1 o'clock. And we talk soon. Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And that's how I would do it. Just having a nice conversation, inviting them to the open house, telling them about the open house, and then going a deep, a little step further and ask, by any chance, do you have any question about the real estate market? Hey, by any chance, have you ever wondered about the new markets, about the new prices? Again, asking great questions, see if they have a need, find out what they want, and then providing the knowledge, the information, the value, and set an appointment. Remember this, 2 goals you have when you make a call, right here with this circle dialing script. 2 goals. Number 1, invite them for the open house. That's number 1 outcome. Invitation for the mega open house or regular open house. And number 2, go deep down, see if you have a need, see if they need your service, your expertise, your experience, offer your work, offer your service. See if they need to buy, sell, or invest. And go out there, do more open houses. It's a great way to get leads. It's a great way to meet people, have conversations belly to belly, create a beautiful relationship, generate leads, right? Set appointments and build rapport and build your database. So I hope you are engaged in action, setting appointments, setting open houses, and calling people and crushing out there. So stay strong. Let me know here. Did you like this video? Did I bring you value and contribution? Awesome. Give me your comments. Give me your insights. Let me know what else you like me to do, what kind of video you want to see and hear, and subscribe for my channel, share the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Lots of love. Bye.